guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my sister and my little baby Adeline right here. And then we got Amy, my oldest. Boop. Ow. Boop. So today we're going to do the Who Knows Me Better challenge. So I'm going to be asking them questions that they should know, and they'll be answering on the board. Right, here we go. You guys ready?
Yes. You might want to go back so we don't see the questions.
Alright, so I have a few questions here.
Oh no, I'm gonna lose. I straight up know.
Ready?
Wait. Oh no, my stomach hurts.
If you don't know me, I'm gonna smack you.
That's fine. That's fine.
Cross your head. Pácate last way. Alright.
One question at a time, please.
Question number 1. What kind of salsa do I like for my tacos? Red or green? You're gonna have to wait until we use them both ready, because she's gonna be copying your.
Bitch, make it.
Okay, red. Alright. Alright.
Princess? Oh god, I'm crying already. I'm
ready?
scared.
What are my favorite chips?
Oh.
Yeah, wait, don't show it. Ready? Go.
I need to write it there.
Yeah, you guys got it. So you guys have 2 points each. Alright? You keep track, Haley. 2 and 2. Alright? Alright.
I gotta write it bigger, don't I?
Yes. Next question. Backstreet Boys or NSYNC?
Oh,
Don't show it, sister.
Oh, I think I know. You're wearing the shirt.
I think you didn't notice though. Alright, 3 points each, okay?
I already said you're wearing the shirt.
If I have to choose between vegetables and fruit, what would I choose?
Oh, that's easy. You have to wait till I'm ready.
You guys can't until it's okay, ready, go. Alright, fruit, alright. So, 4, yeah.
She ain't no vegetable girl.
Questions are going to get a little more harder.
Oh no, don't please, don't.
Soda or horchata?
Oh, that's easy. Ready?
Alright, you guys got it. Okay, ready? Here's the hardest question.
Wow, they're so hard.
This is easy. No, I'm just warming you guys up.
No.
Okay.
No, keep warming me up, keep warming me up.
What date is my anniversary of me and Mario together?
Can you just put the month first? Just the month.
It has to be the month, the date, and the year.
I don't know the year or the date.
Okay, at least the month and the day.
I don't know.
Just put something.
Can I just put the month? Because I don't think neither of us know the day. Just the month.
Okay, the month.
What'd you put? I put April. I put March. What is it?
March is Mario's birthday. April is when we met. April 16th.
6. Oh god, you have to edit that out.
Okay. What is the date that me and Mario got married?
I don't know that one.
Guess. Guess.
No, you were pregnant.
Yeah, guess.
Oh.
Just guess the date. I feel like.
Oh, okay, but can you at least give us a number what through what? Because literally just gave you the answer, Mensa.
Okay, you gotta choose. Fuck, I can't.
No, I already know because I already gave you the answer.
No, that's not.
No?
You
said that you got married, right?
Yes, but I'll give you guys the month, but you guys gotta pick the day. Okay? A little easier. I'll give you guys the month, and you guys have to choose the day. The date was in March.
Oh shit.
So you guys gotta pick the number, day.
Do we have to write March?
No, you can just, whatever, okay? Just the date.
I'm just gonna guess too. And whoever's closer gets half a point.
No. Come on, you have to get it. Ready?
Whatever you put.
Let's see.
I put 18. I put 15. What?
It's the 7th.
Oh.
Dude, you should know this.
I know.
You're your parent.
You live with him, but I don't. You act like I'm gonna be asking about that history. She be posting.
Okay, question. Okay, ready? Here's another question. I don't know if you guys are gonna know this one.
I'm from 6 and 5.
¿Cuál flavor de taco pickles me da asco el olor.
Oh, wait.
Come on. And I'm gonna give you a clue. Your dad gets this all the time.
I know what it is, but I don't know how
Write
to
it.
spell
Let's try to spell it
I
out.
think it's this. I don't know.
It smells disgusting.
I don't
Like,
Did you
ew.
say it?
No.
Right, ready, set, show. Oh, tripa, I put cabeza.
No, it's tripa. She got it.
Alright, 6-6.
Okay. Okay.
You be getting that nasty ass.
Yeah, it's disgusting. I don't like the smell.
I feel,
the
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna say this, but I feel so bad for the people
Okay.
that are using earphones because we're literally getting so
Oh,
bad into the mic.
I'll lower it down. I forgot I had the microphone.
I know, we forget.
What, other than Doritos, what other chips I like to eat with limon and tapatio?
Oh, I don't know what they're called though. Can I go see in the kitchen?
No? You're supposed to know.
No, you're supposed to know.
They're chips. They're not like the ones for the salsa.
Can I just put the? Because I know
We
they're.
buy them at Circle K. That's another clue.
You cannot be giving us clues. You gotta let us guess
I
and
know.
make a fool out of ourselves. I already know, girl.
She should know me. She's my daughter.
I ate some with you the other day. It's because I know what they are. Like I know what they are. They're like the little thingies, but I don't know what they're called.
I put limon and tapatio on them. So it's either I buy Doritos or I bought those other ones when I get tired of Doritos.
Just put whatever.
Whatever you think. Just put whatever.
How does Amy not know? Even I know. I know what it is.
Ready? Set. Go. She got it.
I put the
No, as I told you, we buy them at Circle K.
Lay's Moco.
Oh my god, my sister knows it!
Go so far.
Okay.
How many questions are we doing?
Okay, ready?
No.
What is my go-to bad word?
Ooh,
Your go-to bad word?
Yeah.
You don't really have a go-to. You just start saying bad words. No, like being honest, you don't have
Spanish or English?
English. It would be
Whatever.
Ooh, I have some good ones.
Your go-to word? Bad word?
Mm-hmm.
I'll put this because you were saying the last time.
Oh, nice! My eye watering. I have two go-to words.
Okay, I got it.
I don't know. I'm not sure about mine.
Okay, ready? Go.
I say fuck shit shit.
And you?
I put pendeja o estúpido.
You guys didn't get it.
What is it?
A la verga. It's a really ugly word, but I like to say it. I don't know why.
So, nobody
Okay.
gets the point.
Hold on. Another one. What is my favorite two quotes I've been using a lot lately?
Shit, I don't know.
I don't know real life.
I always say them to you, and they're from movies. I say it all the time. All the time. One of them, you guys better get it, because I say it all the time.
Got it.
Hold on. There's two.
Well, I know one.
Okay.
Because I used it the other day.
Okay. Ready? Ready, set, go.
Tell me a little secret.
I put my tummy in Zico and hi, bye.
También a little cico. My tummy is cico.
So who actually did get?
Both of you guys got it. Yeah, because you guys both said it.
Did Amy get?
Yeah, she gets a point. She gets a point.
She gets 2.
So what's
She
the
only
other
gets
one?
1 point.
What's the other one?
What's the other one? Because I said hi, bye.
Asco tu show, amiga. Asco.
Oh, my mom would know that.
Because of that voodoo girl, whatever the
Baraboo.
Eso, ajá, es que alguien le dijo, amiga, ¿no quieres ganar dinero? Ay, ¿qué quieres que te aplauda? Asco tu show, amiga. Asco. Alright.
So we're at 7 to 8.
Okay, hold on.
7 to 8. You're 8. You're winning. That's right.
Okay, I have those. Okay, what is my favorite movie?
Ooh, no, that's hard.
I made Mario buy it for me, and I don't even have a disc for it to read it.
I know it.
I think I hate this movie.
Okay, got it. I have two. I have two favorites.
Can I write down the second one?
You guys can write
You
two.
can write down the second one.
Well, if you get the two, you get the 2 points. If you only get one, then you only get 1 point.
Alright, that's a
I don't
good
know
deal.
that
That's a good deal.
Okay, ready?
You
ready?
Okay, you're not
Oh, cause I'm reading the questions that they're asking me. Ready? Go.
I said Christmas story.
That's one of my favorite ones.
I put my cousin Vinny or do as my card.
You got 1 point too, and you got 1 point. It was My Cousin Vinny and A Christmas Story. So 1 and 1 point. You could have got 2 points.
Alright, she got 9. Yeah, she got 8. 8 and 9.
I hate that movie, A Christmas Story.
I should try out.
Okay.
Alright, you can do this. Okay.
Okay, let's see if you guys remember this one. What is the last place I worked at? My last job.
I think I know. I don't
I'm just gonna say the actual, like, the facility.
Okay.
Not the actual spot.
Okay, ready? Go.
Macy's?
Yeah, that's what
Macy's not sponsored. Yes. Macy's not sponsored. My eyes are watering because of the AC in the
I
back.
thought about when it was my birthday and it was your friend and he gave me the teacup thingy.
Oh yeah, Anthony.
Yeah.
Yeah, Anthony. Okay, Anthony. Yeah.
Well,
No, it wasn't Anthony. It was
I don't know who.
I forgot his name, but he's Jewish. Yeah, he's Jewish. Jewish. Yes, I remember. Okay. Next question. You guys ready?
Yes. Dang, I should have said Lay's not sponsored.
Where is it?
See if there's restaurant ones.
What year did I start my YouTube channel?
Easy. Simple.
Really?
I think.
It kind of is.
Damn, I'm shocked that you guys are both like writing. It's like shook it.
I just saw it the other day.
You did?
Yeah, we were.
I don't know.
You put a year though, right?
Put a year.
Okay.
I think I know it. I'm doubting it.
Ready, set, go.
2007?
Yeah, I think it was that.
What did you put?
2009.
It was 2009.
Yeah?
Alright, so she got 9, and that's 9.
Okay, tie. We got a tie. Tiebreaker. It's a tiebreaker. If you guys know what movie that is, comment down below. Alright.
Rest in peace, headphone users, please.
Oh, yeah, what she said. My bad. No, I think it's lower down, so it's not really that high. It's just so that hopefully it doesn't catch the... Why are you so scared?
What?
Okay.
Next question.
So you guys gotta answer it quick. What year was I born?
Oh, we were just talking about that.
How does Amy not know?
Come on.
I think I got
We
it.
were talking about your dad, that he's older than me, blah, 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 blah. Quiet. So she needs to kind of figure it out.
You said to write it quick.
Yeah, quick. You need to write it quick, quick,
If I
slow.
do the math, I will be
Quick, slow. Quick, slow.
Oh, you can do
Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Quick, slow.
No, because then you would still be young.
Wow. Y eso que es mi hija, okay?
We already just talked about it.
Oh, wow. I feel offended. Jesus. Haley, what is it? Sips, facts, not tea, or what?
Yes, yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. Ready?
I hope I'm
Show.
right.
1987?
Oh, I put 1989.
That's my year, bro.
No, okay.
Did I win?
Okay, but last question.
Two more.
Ya le gustó, ya le gustó.
No, amiga, ya no.
Alright.
Okay, 9 to 12. No, 10.
10. Does she, no?
I'm at 9.
Okay, we'll do 2 more questions and then we're done. What is my favorite
You're not even looking no more.
plush toy? 'Cause that's all the questions. Because all of them are repetidas.
What?
Plush toy.
What the fuck is that?
Like...
I'm gonna just say a top.
It's basically a stuffed animal.
That's what I put. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is.
Yeah, that's what I put.
I was gonna tell you, you just gave me one this morning. Hello.
Girl, I don't know what that is, girl.
Alright.
I don't know your life.
Alright. Are you guys ready for the last question?
She got 12.
It's 11.
No, I have 11. She has 12.
This is the last one. And you better know this. ¿Cuántos años vamos a cumplir yo y Mario?
Like what, married, together?
Together.
Damn, I don't know.
Oh, God. I got it.
We were just talking about this the other day.
I think it's this one. I'm gonna say this one. I don't know. No, I think it's more than that. No, I think it's less because me and I would have been more. But no, yeah, I think it's this one.
Me and him been together longer than you and Myra were.
Are we?
Yeah.
I didn't make my calculations.
No, just go. I didn't make my calculations. Hurry up.
Just stay with this one.
Okay, ready? Show.
What is it?
18.
16?
You guys both got it wrong.
What is it?
Vamos a cumplir 17.
Oh, you closer! No, we were.
Wait, hold on.
Because you just told me that you guys just.
Okay,
did 17
no, I'll check right now. Hold on. Calculator.
I swear, because either way, we would both get a point because you got 16, it's 17. And
Vamos a cumplir 16 años. Sorry. You got it.
Really?
She got it. Yeah, we're gonna be 16.
You just told me you guys did 17 in the kitchen. I swear you just.
No, well, I was probably high off of cooking or something. I was probably tired. 16. So, how many points do we have?
We have 13 and then we have 11.
Congratulations, sister. I just saw another video where this girl gave somebody $10,000 for a wedding. I don't have $10,000, so I'll give you one of my extensions. You were like, bitch, you gonna give me $1,000 or what?
The reason she did win is because she's known you longer.
You live with your mama.
But you live
You
longer.
lived with her también, so
Yeah,
you guys know,
you've been living with her more than me now because you've been like
Yeah.
15 years.
14 almost.
But I don't really ask you about that
It
stuff.
doesn't matter, but you should already know. Te doy historias. Ya cuando uno está viejito, puede hablar de historias. Alright, so,
That concludes our Q&A.
yes.
Our guessing game.
How about next video we do a Q&A on my sister? Everybody has lots of questions.
Lots of questions.
Give this video a thumbs up. If it does get a bunch of thumbs up, we'll have my sister do a Q&A and you guys can ask any question.
No.
There's no
filter. No.
yes. There's no question that won't be answered.
Oh shit.
If this video gets a bunch of likes.
Okay.
If it doesn't,
Then no.
then no, we won't do it. But if this video gets a bunch of likes, we will do a Q&A video with her and you guys can ask her anything and she will have to answer the truth.
Yes.
Deal?
Yes.
How many likes did this video have to get at least?
100.
No, it already gets 100 video.
100,000.
No, tampoco se pasen.
Okay,
How
I
much is, I don't know.
how many? Wait, how many do you get regularly?
Let's
Like,
say
how about
if it gets
50K?
1,000 likes. Thumbs
How
up.
about
let's make it challenging.
1,500?
Okay, so if this video gets 1,500, I don't think it'll do that, but we will do that with her. So make sure you guys have everybody give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see a Q&A with my sister, because I know a lot of people have a lot of questions. A lot of questions. Alright, so I want to thank you guys again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment. Let me know what was your favorite part. And yeah, so thank you guys again and we'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!